Hi, hello everyone. This is Shivagami from SNS College of Technology. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here we're going to learn about the topic as decision making and leadership in software project management system. Let's see the topic. Here, um, uh, today we are going to discuss an important topic from the software management, decision making and leadership in software project teams. As the project manager or future leaders in software development, your ability to make sound decisions and lead efficiently determines your project successful. How to carry out a software development project. Here I give 8 steps for this. Okay, in any software project, decision making is content from choosing the right tools and technologies to assigning a task and resolving the conflicts. Okay, first we going to decide choosing a right tools and technologies and to assigning the task and resolving the conflicts. Okay, the leadership on the other hand, is about guiding your teams through these decisions and helping them stay motivated, focused, aligned with the project goals. Okay, the next one is relational decision making and the analytical approach. Here I give a relational decision making and an analytical approach. Now let's look relational decision making. This is a very semantic and logical process. Okay, it is very semantical and logical process. You start by clarity, identifying the problem. You start by identify the problems. You gather the relevant data, analyze the problems, evaluate them carefully. Okay, and finally we're going to choose the best solution based on the evidence. Okay, in short it's like a debugging. Okay, in short it's like a debugging, a program step by step, instead of guessing the errors. Okay, instead of guessing the errors. Okay, the next one is intuitive decision making. The next one is intuitive decision makings. A directive or attractive. Okay, a directive or architect leaders takes the charge. Okay, we're going to make a decision quickly and maintains the control strictly. Okay, we're going to take a decision quickly and controls. Okay, strictly we're going to controls. This is the usual duration emergencies. Okay, but it can sometimes reduce the motivation in experienced teams. Okay, sometimes it reduces the motivation in experienced teams. In other hand, we're going to encourage the team to share the options and collective decisions, and make collective decisions. It may be works best experienced with our team through the decision together. Okay, in this intuitive decision making. Okay, next we have a transformational and servant leadership. Transformational leader inspires and motivate their team and go beyond expectations. In the focus on they focus on the vision, growth, innovations. Okay, the servant leaders put their team's needs first. Okay, they listen, support and empower their members. In software content, transformational leader-driven innovations, while servant leaders build a strong, committed teams. The next one is leader style and directive practice. The style of the leader directly affected the team performance. The style of a leaders directly affected the team performance. Okay, directive leaders ensure the control and discipline. Ensure the control and discipline. And then the positivity leaders boost and encourage the creativity. They are boost the engagement and creativity. Okay. The next one is leadership style transformation and servant. Leadership styles transformational and servants. Okay, here the empathy. Here the 5 steps are here. Empathy, identify the users, gather the informations, identify the solutions, evaluate and select. Okay, empathy. In the empathy, we're going to understand the everyone perspective, identify the issues. It is going to define our problem or a risk. Okay, define the exact problem or a risk, and then gather the information means collect the relevant data. Okay. And then identify the solution means think of the possible ways to handle the risk. The possible ways to handle the risk. Identify the solutions. Think of the possible ways to handle the risk. Okay, and then evaluate and select. Evaluate and select. Choose the best. Choose the best alternative. Okay, choose the best alternatives for the problem. Okay. This structured process helps the teams make smarter and create a more effective decisions. Okay, and create a more effective decision. Here the impact of leadership styles of the team performance. The impact of leadership of the team performance. The end of our session, decision making and the leadership software project teams. Remember, greater leaders don't just give orders. Greater leaders, we don't want to give just orders. They make the thoughtful decision. They make thoughtful decision to others and build a collaborative environment for the success. Thank you all.